Hello everyone, welcome to today's video where we will explore the exciting world of faceless YouTube channels. If you're a beginner looking to start your YouTube journey without showing your face, you're in the right place. So what exactly is a faceless YouTube channel? A faceless YouTube channel is one where the creator doesn't appear on camera. Instead, they use voiceovers, animations, screen recordings, and other visuals to create engaging content. This allows you to maintain your privacy while still building a successful channel. Creating these faceless YouTube ideas won't cost you money, and it is easy, especially with the help of AI. There are so many channels blowing up across YouTube, getting millions of views, gaining thousands of followers, and making thousands of dollars, and they are doing this without even showing their face. So let's dive right in. The first idea I'll be talking about is animation and storytelling. Create animated stories, educational content, or entertaining skits. Animation allows you to convey messages creatively without ever showing your face. There are several successful channels in this category, like if it resonates with you, you can create your own channel in this niche. Another interesting niche I'm going to be talking about, the second niche I'm going to be talking about today is the tutorials and how-to videos. Under this category, you can share your expertise by creating step-by-step guides on various topics such as tech tutorials, DIY projects, and cooking recipes or crafting. Number 3, gaming. You can record and commentate on gameplay footage. This is a popular niche where your personality and gaming skills can shine without needing to appear on camera. Channels making it under this niche include this and more. So open yours today and get started if you're a lover of games. Number 4, product reviews and unboxings. Review gadgets, beauty products, books, or any other items. Use close-up shots of the product and provide detailed voiceover commentary. We have several YouTubers making it under this category, so if this resonates deeply with you, enjoy it and go for it. Number 5 is listicles and top 10 videos. This means you have to compile a list of interesting facts, top 10 rankings, or best of compilations on various topics like movies, books, or travel destinations. Trust me, this category is very great with consistency and quality content. You will make it big and gain a lot of subscribers and viewers. The number 6 idea is the educational content. Teach a subject you're passionate about, such as history, science, language learning, or finance. Use slideshows, animations, and screen recordings to enhance your lessons. So if you love teaching, go for this. So many YouTubers are making it under this niche. So what are you waiting for? You can start yours by creating a YouTube channel and you are there. Number 7, news and commentary. Provide commentary on current events, pop culture, or industry-specific news. Use relevant images, clips, and screen recordings to support your commentary. Trust me, this can be very, very interesting. If you need to do this, you just need to stay up to date on the latest news and trends. Yeah, so these are just a few ideas to get you started on your faceless YouTube channel. Remember, the key to success is consistency, quality content, and engaging with your audience. Good luck and happy creating. Thank you all for watching. See you guys in my next video.